Hey everyone, are you captivated by these intriguing pictures? Are you eager to uncover the secrets hidden beneath this fascinating red cloth? Well, hold on to your seats because we're embarking on a thrilling journey through the enchanting world of reading. But fear not, we'll circle back to this mystery later on. Picture this. You're face to face with a book, and instead of feeling thrilled, you're thinking, not today, my friend. Does this sound familiar to you?
Oh, believe me, I've been there. But today, we're not just talking about words on a page. We're delving into a world where every turn of a page unlocks new adventures and discoveries. But before we leap into the unknown, let me ask you something. How many of you are avid readers? Great, many readers in this room. Now let's be real. Who here has ever battled the relentless urge to doze off while buried in a book? That's alright. Flashback to when I was in grade 1 and reading felt more like a chore than a joy. Despite my family's relentless encouragement, I couldn't shake off the headaches and dizziness that came with it. So I gave up. But one summer, out of sheer boredom, I decided to give reading another chance. With no expectations, I picked up a book, and guess what? The pictures drew me in, and before I knew it, I had read the entire book in an hour. That small victory sparked a love for reading that has stayed with me ever since. I kept reading voraciously and have devoured nearly 300 books to date. Thank you. My passion for reading ignited many hidden talents within me, such as poetry. I have penned down over 100 poems, and right now, if you give me Thank you. And right now, if you give me any random topic, I can write a poem about it instantly. Like one day, my mom told me to write something about the Ramayana, and I composed a poem about it in just 10 minutes. Here is a glimpse of that poem, which summarizes the Ramayana in just 10 stanzas. Fast forward to the 5th grade, when new challenges awaited me. Amidst the nerves and excitement of a new school year, I found myself diving headfirst into every competition that came my way. One particular contest, Shravanyam, challenged us to showcase our creative talents. Despite initially aiming for poetry, I found myself drawn to story writing. And before I even realized it, my small competition entry had turned into a big story. Can anyone guess how many chapters my story ended up having? Okay, great guesses. However, the answer is, drum roll please, 17 thrilling chapters. Thanks. Packed with twists, turns, and adventures beyond imagination. Who would have thought that a single competition could ignite a passion for story writing within me? Writing a book was quite the ride, let me tell you. Sure, there were moments when I felt like I was soaring, but there were also plenty of bumps along the way. Picture this. I'm sitting at my desk staring at a blank page, and the words just refuse to flow. Then I start to doubt myself, wondering if what I'm writing is good enough to read or even publishing altogether. It was like hitting a brick wall. But despite all the obstacles, I refused to give up because I knew I had a story inside me that needed to be told, and I was determined for it. Writing this book helped me discover my own strength and perseverance. It showed me that even when things get tough, it's important to keep going because every challenge makes you even better. It taught me the true meaning of resilience, the ability to bounce back stronger than before. So, to all of you out there chasing your dreams, remember, no matter how tough the journey may seem, keep pushing forward because greatness lies just beyond the next chapter. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Remember those tantalizing pictures which I showed in the very beginning? They're glimpses of my writing journey, the first 17 chapters which I ever wrote. And behind me, covered in this bright red cloth, is something which is a huge piece of my heart and soul. Are you ready to see what's been hidden away? And here it is, the cover of my book, Anime Alpha, Rise Against the Shadow Legion. This book is about the anime world, plagued by turmoil and uncertainty, where everyone lives in fear of the Shadow Legion. But despite all this, a group of teenagers refuse to stand back as they watch the planet getting destroyed. Will they be able to save the world, or will everyone have to live in fear? Keep wondering. Thank you all for being a part of this moment with me. It was an incredible experience bringing this story to life. Whether you're a fellow book lover, a budding writer, or simply someone who enjoys a good story, I hope you'll join me in celebrating the power of reading. Let's continue to explore new worlds, share our voices, and embrace the magic of literature together. For a person who reads lives 1,000 lives, but a person who doesn't gets to live only one. Thank you and happy reading.